Several states across the country have now suspended vaccination for the 18 to 44 years age group. What's more, over a dozen states have now floated global tenders to actually export vaccines. A country, ironically, that exported millions of jabs till mid-April is now seeking to export vaccines to inoculate its own population.
A drive in disarray.
8 बजे से खड़ी हूँ। मेरी मम्मी का सेकेंड डोज है कोवैक्सीन का।
एकदम कैओस है, कोई पुलिस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, कोई भी मतलब एकदम मिसमैनेजमेंट।
Shortage of shots in the face of surging infections.
9 बजे से लेके 1 बजे तक का स्लॉट भी दिया है। 9 से लेके 11 बजे तक अंदर एंट्री नहीं दे रहे, जबकि जगह ताला लगा के रखा है।
At least more than 95 crore people form the adult population base in India. But as per the government estimates, we were supposed to inoculate 30 crore people by July this year. India has only done about 1/3 of the population that is above the age of 45. It seems that the targets have been missed by miles, and even with foreign vaccines and their imports, it's still going to take some time to inoculate the maximum population in the country against the coronavirus.
A country that exported 66 million doses of made-in-India COVID vaccines till mid-April is now seeking to import the jabs to fully inoculate its own population.
आज कोई भी वैक्सीन जो FDA अप्रूव्ड है, WHO से अप्रूव्ड है, इंडिया में आ सकता है। उनको इंपोर्ट लाइसेंस चाहिए, वो 2 दिन में मिलेगा, 1 दिन में भी मिलेगा, कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें।
A dozen states are now considering global tenders for COVID vaccines. Till now, India approved Serum Institute's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's domestically developed Covaxin. Russia's Sputnik V is also cleared for emergency use. The central government is now easing the rules to pave the way for others.
Pfizer, Moderna, J&J के साथ शुरू से टच में है, ongoing. हमेशा पूछा, फॉर्मली पूछा, बातचीत करी कि प्लीज वुड यू लाइक टू सेंड डोजेस टू इंडिया, प्लीज वुड यू लाइक टू मैन्युफैक्चर इन इंडिया, वी विल फाइंड पार्टनर्स, वी विल असिस्ट यू। उन्होंने कहा कि अभी हम अपने तरीके से चले हैं और वैक्सीन अवेलेबिलिटी जो है वो Q3 में बात करेंगे, 21 इस Q3 में देखते हैं जो अवेलेबिलिटी होगी।
The central government has also told the Supreme Court that vaccine manufacturing of Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V would be ramped up in the country by July. Hit hard by the pandemic, Maharashtra has announced plans to bid for imports.
ग्लोबल टेंडर्स फ्लोट करना हर कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का अधिकार होता है। अगर बीएमसी ने किया है तो निश्चित तौर पर कुछ अच्छे पर्पस के लिए ही, अच्छे ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए ही किया है। तो WHO ने पास करने के बाद सिर्फ हमारे इंडिया में यूज़ करना है या नहीं करना है, इसके बारे में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की सिर्फ एक फॉर्मल परमिशन चाहिए होती है।
The city of Mumbai meantime floated global tenders for 10 million doses. The procurement is estimated at rupees 400 crore. Down south in Tamil Nadu, the new government has emphasized the need for imports.
The state government had a high-profile meeting in which they have decided that a global tender will be called for, wherein they will be trying to procure sufficient amount of vaccines globally and ensure that 18 to 45 age group will also start getting their vaccination done.
Battling the ferocious wave, Karnataka too is looking at global bids.
Definitely we are trying to negotiate, to connect wherever we can get the vaccines readily. We are trying to mobilize and ensure that whatever might be the demand, we are trying to comply with the demand and ensure everybody gets the vaccine.
Similar moves are being pursued by Haryana up in the north, and also by Rajasthan for import of 1 crore vaccines. With Akshay Anath in Chennai and Milan Sharma in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.